right, let's see what these assumptions are going to do. These assumptions are happening here, making a new low. Oh, this opened low a lot. That's crazy. So dramatic. So right here, 966, sorry, 699 over 7. No. 650 then. Under 650 could be an interesting reclaim. We get a reclaim if it goes under 650. Ooh, back over 7 very quickly. Okay. Right, back over. It seemed like it was going to make a new low, but in 3 seconds it just flew right through 7. Wow, missed that. That is interesting. I wish it made a try to make a new low and then maybe that way we could grab it. BJDX. Here we go. We got 65 here. Below that is 57. Oh, this moves pretty aggressive. No, it's good. Okay, it's fine. I'm gonna take my one share. Oh, BJDX. Right, guess it's halted. Right, there we go. There you go. I'm gonna stick that. Cool. So this one low 253. One lower to break of 50. Lowest 50. There we go, 48. Back to 50. Honestly, probably 1,000 here because it's kind of the reclaim over 50 could be good. Watching it. The green is good. Needs to get over 53. How many seconds? 20 seconds there. I'm gonna give it a second. There you go, 53. 6 seconds, nice, 58. We can get it over through 60. We'll leave 600 here. Looking for that little breakthrough. 60. Looking at the tape. Nope. It's not easy. Get one trade there, but it's not. It's too choppy. JLHL. Volume still so light, man. This thing resumed through 8. Could we see? Wow. It's kind of just like acting like crazy there. No real setup where one could capitalize. At least not without hyper scalping. So we'll see. Hmm. 90. Hmm.
JLHL. Yes, we are going to the website. JLHL. Yes, we are. Yes, please do. Yes, please English. Yes, please English.
All right, we got a much clearer imbalance here. If it doesn't hold, we might be able to get a nice dip here. This stock has been like crazy, man. JLHL, do you have you from China? No news. That's a start. Wow.
JLHL closer to the website.
Is this actually going to resume up here? It does. Wow. You got to crash. What's going on, bro? There's that drop. But really? 1260? I don't think so. That's kind of risky there. 1260 is risky, but if it can hold, and yeah, it is holding. I prefer this one here, 577. Could be better here. See, low, this is 16. Back over 16.
Minus 2 is even less than
77. Oh, there was some kind of volume that came in there. So we're looking at 16. Or 77. Close right above 16. Doesn't look like it. it's failing here, shorts I haven't stopped out yet. I need confirmation. There's that confirmation, so it's 77. 77 is where they'll stop, where they'll begin to stop out. Let's see it. Reclaim 77. Reclaim 77. Could be. Or here. 75. Wow, this thing's still going. I cannot find an entry on this. This is. I guess the lower low there at 12. That was key, but that's the fold down. I'm playing with the fold down, 1170. Yep. Here we go. Shorts, if shorts want to commit to this drop, it needs to go here. 1630. If it doesn't, then we're going to be looking at 1574. But it needs to drop right there. Yep. Okay. Okay, looks like I am going to miss this because it just moves so fast. A little slow there. But let's see, if you hold 16, or rather 1580. The only opportunity here is if I get on the bid. What is the setup here? Let's see. I could lose quite a lot. I get in here and then I'll be stopping out 40s. How fast it can drop. $609, $1609, the first candle new high. 16. We doing this? Let's see if I can get in there. 16 or no? Put my order on the bid there. Cancel that. That's taking too long. I need to get in on. I need to get in on. It's just kind of too slow. It's not my cup of tea per se. Slow and higher priced. Oh, look at that. Yep, that is nice. Let's see, it's gonna assume pretty, no, not pretty high. It's gonna assume 1022, 1030. It's 5 more minutes. Let's see, 7 minutes. YXT. Oh my goodness, $11. Okay. All right, I guess that's what it's going to be. Hopefully it gives a move later on. That'll give us a good entry. Looking at JLHL. See what it wants to do here. There could be another dip waiting for this. Being patient on it. Here it is, 25. There might be another dip here unless we can reclaim this 42, which we did, and it came really fast. So now we're looking for a gap and go through 14. All right, otherwise we're looking for a dip 1325. What's it gonna be? Here it is, 14. Bro, I'm so slow today. I'm like beyond slow. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, 14. 1260 is the low. I mean, man, that's rough. 1485, 1540 is the high, the hold up. I don't know about this. 1420. 13. Yeah, about to get smoked. There you go. 1360 could be the spot. 1360 if it wants to hold. 1360 if it wants to hold. Fine, let's do it. 1427. I'm in 86. Needs to go here. I'm out. Not going. Needs to go at that level of volatility. It's hard to say. So it took one trade there. 1380, pretty high. I wanted it at 60, but the hold down was too close. Hold down ended up moving down. So could still hold, but then I would be pretty much break even if I get out. I would be waiting here, waiting. But that was kind of the setup, but really quickly, because I missed this prior, because it moves really fast. Like here, I missed this hold up, being quite slow, so this time I made sure. Be a little faster, but at the same time, okay, looks like the low this was 90 and ended up going to 14, 15. Man, the possibility of this flushing, it's kind of high, so the stop 1360. Let's see what we got here. So 708. Oh man, I would take a dip under 7. If you give me a dip under 7, I would happily take that dip under 7. Here we go. Here we go, 80. Oof, kind of a big dip there. Back over 7. And it's a big dip there. It's a big one. 708. 710 would be the stop basically, where these shorts would begin to stop around 710. Let's say 660, 680. No, don't want to make the same mistake twice. So 70, ooh, 72 now. So below that was 65. Back over 70. Big spread. Big spread there. 30 seconds left. Does it go 65? Below that is 65. It's only 70s. Not sure. So it is there holding. This might be a red candle. I don't know. Shorts, in order for shorts to get stopped would be here, but this wasn't too, it wasn't too strong. I feel like shorts are still in here. Shorts are still in. Here we got a massive move. I mean, pretty massive there. Here we go. I would want to see it under 1660. Would it be still good if it goes a little lower? Yeah, I think it'll still be good. Now we're looking over 696. So still pretty contested. Candle new high over 7. Okay, shorts. Shorts might want to get on this right now. Make a new low. Has to make a new low here under 680. If it doesn't make a new low, I think there it goes. New low. New low 75, 70. And it could reclaim 80. So looking at the tape, see if we see an influx of volume. Influx of volume. I want to see an influx of volume here. That's key. That's key for this setup to work. 10 seconds. Yep. Okay, good. First candle new high over 7. There was an influx. Okay, that's crazy. That was crazy. Okay, that was a setup right there. All right, here we go. So we got 730 there, or we got the volume's kind of light, you know. Pushing that 40, needs to break, nice. Go. Out right there, 60s. So took that break, gap and go basically. $70. That was a sweet gap and go. Okay, that was good. I mean, I missed this one. I didn't want to miss a gap and go. It's very clear there. That 40s was kind of, you know, absorbing a lot of, seeing a lot of green on the tape. It comes down. JLHL got that one. I did miss this one though. This was good. I should have taken it with smaller size. But this low volume, it's not ideal, you know, because now you're seeing it. The range on this is 60 cents. You know, I wish I could take like closer to 800 shares, but I need the range to be a little tighter. Or it's fine, but I need the volume to be much more so that I can get a good exit if it doesn't go my way. Otherwise, it's just a freaking dropping 60 cents. So lower low there, 13. So 13, smaller size right over 13. I don't think so. I don't think so. Shorts are still in this. So what are we gonna do here? Through 9? It'll be pretty quick. It'll be a quick scalp, but if it goes through 9, then yes. 944 is the fold. Maybe it's waiting for. Oh.
Why has T benzene in the money?
Didn't hold. Didn't hold too well. Over 860. Over 860. There's a lot of green. Ooh, what's it gonna be? Doesn't seem like it. This candle has to close above 860 and see what that next candle is gonna do. Oh, we're kind of weak. There was some green there, but it was not strong. Back again, 80s. It's really strong. It could be 80s. This is kind of weird price action. I mean, it didn't make a new low. It's retesting again. I really don't trust it. I mean, shorts get in here. If it's really gonna be that strong, man, it's gonna squeeze them out here. It's like it really wants to squeeze them out, huh? No, failed. It didn't. I mean, it's so tricky. It's so tricky. I would have taken it there 80s, you know? But it twice here. Grab liquidity, enough strength to get up here. But then we have this candle where I think a lot of shorts got in here. And to be honest, for them to be squeezed, we're looking at 950s. Now we're making a new low. Perhaps we can make it low here. Well, we might as well hold down at this point. Another low right there. 834. What's it going to be? 834. 834. Oh, maybe if under shares only. 834. You're looking at 834 or 34 or under 92. So would that be good? I mean, 770 looks like if it's going to come down, it might actually pile in. Okay, we got that move there. Low of that was 80. Low of this was 90, so it could hold here theoretically based on our assumptions over 90, but bro, we are just a little high here. Volume is bigger here. No, I need another low. There's that other low. This low 169, back over 80. Back over 80. No, doesn't seem like it. So the imbalance is here, 69. If it's gonna try to hold and it doesn't actually hold, back over 70 could be key. It could be key here, back over 70 if it doesn't want to hold. Hopefully it doesn't hold and this play actually holds. So 30 seconds, back over 70. You're getting a lot of green here on the tape. Over 70. The amount of green there, 20 seconds. There's still some time for shorts to keep committing, but longs to take over. Okay, 70 now. It actually did it. Okay. There was a big imbalance here, that's why. You could see that low. So the high being low is 50. Candle new high over 90. Ooh, wow. Big volume came in right there. Huge volume came in there, but no, nothing. Maybe leave this alone now. It's not behaving right. So that's the thing here now. It has to make a new low here. It doesn't want to make a new low, right? So back over 68. This might actually, yep, that might actually go. It's a lot of good volume coming in through there. Let's take that. 805. Oh, don't do that. Come on. We got stop 94 basically. I need this volume to continue. Bro. Okay, not doing that. It's not gonna continue. Yeah, too choppy. Okay, I think that was my last trade. All right, I think we're finished. You know, not pushing it, hesitating some places, and taking the right approach by waiting for my setup and not overly trading. You know, yesterday I can say, although I finished green, I did a lot of, I could have avoided a few things. So today is going to be a different story. Today, or was a different story actually. The hesitation's still there, but I happen to take some better trades. So this one was really good. Bang, bang, bang. Nice. That was good. So on BJDX, then we took this one here, a gap and go, right on kind of the same idea as yesterday here, this area where, you know, first candle new high fails, first candle new high fails again, shorts pile into this, sell off, we try to make a new low, it doesn't work, try to make a new high, it doesn't work, so that means shorts are in control. Then making, if shorts are really going to be in control and send this price lower, this new low has to work. Doesn't work, that's the entry right here, and then boom, off to the next highs, right? So I noticed that I missed it, and but I took that gap and go right at 740. High of this was 730, so it's either 730, 740. Boom, 740 out 64. Good fill, good exit. So that's kind of the setup that I love a lot. Let's see what else. Did I take any other trades here? Took another trade, which was a loss. It doesn't show, but it was just a small loss. I don't even think it's worth going through it. Only one trade here. Kind of the same idea. Price came down here all the way down to 1310. The low of the previous candle was 1360. So I'm thinking if shorts really committed in these 50 cents, they're gonna start stopping out if we hold above 1360. So I noticed that the hold level was also pretty close. So bought it, waited for it. I didn't wait for the next candle. I kind of just, yeah, I had 30 seconds, only waiting 13 seconds. Yeah. So, yeah. So there you go. So then the next candle held above my entry. Good, but it took a long time to get up here. Took the last the last 10 seconds is what filled most of this candle up here. Anyway, so then we take a freaking annoying loss here, which is, I guess it was a fair trade. but the trade is here. Same idea, right? Shorts are super piled in here. Pull back in the eyes of the shorts, right? Pull back, and they're ready to continue to pile in and send this thing to the ground, you know? But it doesn't work. It's right here, man. This right here, these three candles right here. Either candle new high, the reclaim back over 16. Man, that was the spot. I think I hesitated there too. Anyway, then they reformed the gap. I tried this low. When it was hovering too much under my price, it has to get above my price, above the level that I'm looking at. If it's too long, yeah, it's kind of like it's fair, but you know, it could be improved. Lost 50 bucks there. But anyway, that's where I'm at. All right. So we're starting the month good. Starting the month with some green days, which is good. So anyway, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, try it for free, 7-day free trial. Free trading analysis tool. So select a broker, add your file, and hit analyze. We got a new broker, Lightspeed, so come check it out. If you use the analysis tool as free, you'll get this view here. But the best views come if you create an account. So come check it out, create an account. Then is, what do we got here? So we got the testimonials, $5 a month, 50 a year. Come check it out. What else? Yeah, $5 a month, 50 a year. Come check it out. Hit me up on Discord if you need any help, and I'll see you tomorrow.